Greetings, friends. Today we have an update on Knott's Berry Farm construction. We're going to have a new eatery coming soon, summer of 2022. Here is a computer rendering. It's going to be called the Boysenbrewery. And in spite of the name, it is not going to be a brewery. According to the OC Register, Knott's Berry Farm's new pizzeria, charged as Boysenbrewery, boasts a backdrop of converted behind-the-scenes props and a costume store where actors and patrons mingle after a break from the show at a nearby theater. I guess that would be the Walter Knott Theater. The OC Register goes on to say, according to Knott officials, the new prop shop pizzeria, Italian cuisine, will open at Buena Park Amusement Park this summer. That last sentence didn't really make a lot of sense to me. Here we have some temporary walls covering up our demolition. There's a sign on the wall. It says, restrooms closed. Additional restrooms located at the Mystery Lodge Theater. Thank you. Let's take a peek behind that wall. We can see that building has been pretty thoroughly gutted. Not much left. The closed restroom looks like it's still there. And the next day, it's gone. So how far do we have to go to get to the Mystery Lodge? And there's the relative distance. I hope you can make it. You're going to have to go all the way down the Wilderness Trail to the Mystery Lodge. Pro tip, if you can't make it and end up having an accident, just go for a ride on the Calico Rapids. Hopefully the results will obscure your misfortune. In this spot right here, we have some more construction. We can see a sign that says, E.N. Amels, Porcelain Warehouse, closed for renovation. Please excuse our dust while we improve our warehouse. This area between the bumper cars and the Knott's Berry Tales building was most recently used for seating. And here's a look behind that wall. Perhaps this will be the location of a new restroom. To make way for the Boysenbrewery, we lost one of the last remaining remnants of the Roaring 20's, the Hollywood Beanery. Later known as Hollywood Hits, then Beachy Keen's Pizza, and lastly, under its most creative and imaginative moniker. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with my latest Knott's Berry Farm construction videos. Oh, and this is new. Please use the proper receptacle.